Welcome to Buy, Hold, Sell. My name's Matthew Kidman, and today we have Jeremy Bendeich from Avoca and Simon Shields from Monash Investors, and we're talking about media. Some of it's old, some of it's new, some you want to keep, some you want to get rid of. Simon, we'll start with you. Carsales, been terrific investment for a lot of people for the best part of a decade now. Supposedly new media, might be a bit mature. Buy, hold or sell?
Hold, Matthew. Yes, I think it is getting a little bit mature, and I think the PE is very high. The growth really is come down over time. Definitely a hold.
Terrific business. Buy, hold or sell, Jeremy?
A sell. 2 years of earnings downgrades for this stock, and the PE is re-rated to 24 times, and it's resorting to putting up prices in its core domestic market for earnings growth.
Danger signs.
Danger signs.
Okay. Fairfax got a bit of old. Tells us got a bit of new.
Yep.
Buy, hold or sell?
This is a hold because it's either going to be acquiring, given its relatively strong balance sheet under media reform, or it's got the option to maybe spin out the domain business and potentially create some value by doing that for existing shareholders. I mean, I'd prefer a spin out rather than an IPO.
Simon, Fairfax is supposedly going to be part of the media shake-up with the law changes. Buy, hold or sell?
Sure, look, I'm only on a hold on this one as well. I think the growth's pretty anemic despite the new media that's inside it. Only a hold.
Okay, Nine Entertainment. There's been movement on the share register already before the media laws have changed. Buy, hold or sell?
No, that's a sell for me. Again, anemic growth. I think in fact it's probably come downgrade. Probably an acquire rather than acquired. Definitely a sell.
Yeah, free-to-air television in a hole, probably heading deeper into that hole. Jeremy, buy, hold or sell?
I just look at Stan versus Netflix. I mean, that says it all. It just doesn't stack up. There's not enough quality in that business to overcome the structural headwinds. So it's a sell, and it's probably going to be out there acquiring things to try to, as we said before, backfill probably earnings holes.
Let's turn to a company that is old world media but is enjoying the new world. APN Outdoor with their new digital billboards, doing quite well at the moment. Buy, hold or sell?
That's a hold, maybe a sell. It's got a lot of momentum. But there's a lot priced in for them having very successfully rolled out a lot of digital product and changed the industry. However, the ROIC that's required in perpetuity is about 30% to justify this share price, and competition's going to come and the landlords are going to put up the rents.
It's gone a long way in a short space of time. Buy, hold or sell?
I think growth's slowing over the next few years as well. Multiples high, it's a hold.
Okay. Here, going back to the old world, radio, free-to-air television, Southern Cross Media, it's been touted as something that will disappear. It's right in the fire line for acquisition. Buy, hold or sell?
That's a hold. I think it's been pretty well telegraphed. Otherwise, I'd have it as a sell.
Radio's done pretty well as part of the old media. It's held up better than the other assets. Buy, hold or sell, Southern Cross Media?
Yeah, we're actually a buy of Southern Cross on the basis that their core radio business is showing signs of growth after having shot themselves in the head with losing some of their core talent. They're rebuilding their ratings, and we're seeing sort of some pretty good underlying radio growth. Their TV business is a drag around the neck. They might do something to get rid of that, and/or they get acquired and broken up.
So the laws might be changing, but it's hard to put life back into those old media businesses.